Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Mani by Me box from Maniology. This is the February box. I literally just got it right now. It was delivered in the mailbox, so I ran out there and got it. So yeah, we're gonna take a look. I think it's like celestial, like, yeah. I didn't watch the lives or really anything. I just kind of took a peek at like the Instagram. They'll show like a picture of it, of what's in there. So yes, look how pretty, Mani by Me.
And then embrace the cosmic allure of February's Interstellar Mani by Me box, where the majestic beauty of the galaxy meets the chic sophistication of French manicures. This collection is a voyage beyond the stars, offering you the universe at your fingertips, and chic, timeless French manicures and galactic accents. Oh, that's cool.
So the first polish is Asteroid B504. It's a pale gray stamping polish with a cream finish, and then Deep Space B505, a navy blue with holographic finish. Ooh, I love like stars, moons, all that, so this is perfect. And plus my birthday's in February, so I was like, this is cool. So yes, Galactic Glam. So this is just a little they called it Galactic Glam, the little manicure they did there, and it shows you how to do it there. You can do it on your stamper, and then yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. I might have to do something like that. I like the way they did the colors like that. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. Oh, you know what? I didn't look at the free gift. Finishing touch. Bonus gift for this month includes a pack of clear rhinestones. Oh, okay. Cool. All right. So we're going to take everything out of the box and take a look at the little sticker. Wearing my best coat. Oh, that's cute. I love their stickers. Super, super cute. I'll take a look at that in a minute. Ooh, okay. So miscellaneous, I guess. 121. These are the rhinestones. Look at these. Look at that purple. Oh, let me get these out real quick. All right, so they come in the little bag like this. It's kind of stuck to the side of the packaging. So yeah, there is all different sizes. I'm gonna have to put them in one of my little containers, but oh gosh, they just look so pretty. Oh yeah, there's some big ones. I just want to show a couple. I don't want to make a mess. But yeah, there is some big. So yeah, they're clear, but then look at that shift. Oh, that's great that they included. I can't see my one thing's in the way, but oh, look at that. How pretty. Yeah, so all different sizes. Super pretty. I'm going to put those back, and then I got to put these, put those in my little rhinestone box. All right, so we're going to take a look. Let me just zoom in here. Take a look at the polishes. I'm so excited. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look at this. This is Deep Space. Look at that rainbow. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that color. I can't wait to swatch that. Oh my goodness. And then we have Asteroid, which is this beautiful gray. Look how pretty. Let me see, I do have another gray. Yeah, I picked up a gray last time I went on their website. Kind of close. But yeah, this one's a lot lighter. This one almost has like a bluey, like a blue kind of a tint in a way, if you can tell. But yeah, it is different. So yeah, those are beautiful. Definitely for like space snails, galaxy, beautiful. So now we're gonna take a look at the plate. Oh, I don't have any of like their French. Oh, look how beautiful. So these are for French manicure. Oh, look at these. Oh my God, yeah, these would of course be for shorter tips, or you could try to add, you know, something to the top, but oh, look at how cute. These can maybe go at the cuticle, or I don't know, just how fun is that? These are really pretty. How cool. I can't wait to do that. Do a set with those. Oh, that was, sorry. That was MXM122. And then MXN121. I usually open them in order, but I saw the French. Look at these, how pretty. So we have little stars, we have little planets. I got like a little galaxy. I love the 4-pointed stars, little galaxy, super cute. Oh, I love it. Yes, this is a fun box. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my things ready here, and we're gonna go ahead. I always swatch the top of them, and then I also want to paint on a nail and see if this is opaque or is it really like, you know, translucent. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so I got my stamper. Oh, let me grab my oh, I do have one. My little sticky stamper station. I love this thing. This came in one of the boxes, and I do have another one that I ordered. So yeah, you can do your little design. I might use that to do like the design. And then it's sticky, so we can wipe. I always go in and wipe my stamper just before I use it in case if there's any dust. I mean, it was covered, but you never know. So we're gonna go ahead and do the gray first. I want to do one of these. I mean, not a French, but probably gonna do this little image here. It's super pretty. So let's see. Actually, I haven't done stamping, it seems like, in a while. Like, I missed it. Alright, I kind of put too much there, but let's see. Pretty. Yeah, a little bit of the moon, but that's fine. So I'm going to just use my little paper here. And then I'm just gonna... Oh, I forgot to put the sticky base. Let me see if it'll go without. Sometimes... Nope, see? Nope, need the sticky base. Gotta let that dry about 30 seconds. All right, so the image was still fine. Let's see, I kind of smudged that a little bit. I was seeing if it was dry, but it's fine. Ooh, super cute. Yeah, it looks good over the black, the white too, but yeah. I'm gonna do this little sun one here. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I want to go ahead and paint some little swatch sticks. I don't usually do that, but I don't know. I just want to see the gray, and then when I stamp it, how it looks on the nail. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and... Because yeah, these you can use as nail polish, so you can paint your nails with these. Oops, I think I had a little lint or something on there. Let that dry, and then let me see this one too. Like I said, I want to stamp over that, but I just want to see. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is pretty pigmented. I was afraid it was going to be. Some of them are very, very translucent. Oh, that's pretty. And just wipe off. Oh, look at that! How pretty. Yeah, I'll do 2 coats. This one only needs 1. It's pretty opaque. But yeah, that's beautiful. Wait for that to dry. All right, so I want to do a French on here just to see. I like these. These are cute. Try this one. Trying to do it right in the center. Oops. Oh yeah, that wasn't dry yet. But, oh god, yeah, it kind of got a little smudged. But it's cute. It's different. That's cute. Yeah, the cloud got a little smudged. Maybe I need to use the round stamp. They said sometimes this one... I don't know. Yeah, it didn't make it go on that straight. I'll have to practice that. But yeah, I mean, that's the idea of a little French, but yeah, I know I'm so impatient when it comes to waiting for the polish to dry. Okay, so I'm going to get some things, clean up here, get some things ready, and then we'll do a little set. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the little set here. The first part of that video was filmed weeks and weeks ago. I got the box on the 8th, and this was just done maybe about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. But yeah, Magical Times is that beautiful gray, and then Oh What Fun is that sparkly black. I just thought they'd be nice backgrounds to do just a kind of like celestial little set. Sorry, I'm still a little bit sick, but I wanted to get this out so you guys could see, you know, I want everybody to see what the box, you know, the different months, what they look like, in case anybody's interested in subscribing to the box. So I'm gonna do a little French here, and it looks so cute, the blue against the gray like that. I thought it was super cute. We're gonna go in with this little image that has a sun on it here. But yeah, they are raising the prices of the boxes. They said they've been the same price, I mean, since they started it. So of course, over the years, you know, I mean, everything goes up, so you're gonna have to raise your prices at some point, you know, of your business. So the box is gonna go up to $30 instead of $25. I do it every 3 months. You can pay like quarterly or even like every 6 months, and they reduce the price. So I have to see what it comes out to. I'm not sure. I know when it was 25, it was coming out to like 22 a month, because I pay quarterly. And I just got the email that I have to restart my subscription in March, because it, you know, the 3 months expired, and I think it was coming out to, with tax and everything, like 86 for the 3 months. So just, you know, a couple dollars less, but you know, I mean, I like the box. I've been pretty happy. Some of them you think, I probably won't ever use that, you know, but you might have a set one day and there might be an image on that particular plate that you're like, oh God, I'm so glad I had this, you know. So yeah, I always like to have just different things. Like I said, you never know when you're going to use certain images. So this one, I like the way it came out. I did the gray with the little galaxy kind of background, and then yellow, I'm just doing like a little planet, and then like a little shooting star. I think, yeah, I'm doing that in white. This was a while ago, so I don't really remember what I used. I forgot, but I like the way it looks. It looked cute. And that black with the glitter, just, I thought it just was a really nice background. So yeah, I just wanted to do kind of like a little galaxy background, and now we're just gonna apply some rhinestone just right at the cuticle, just something pretty simple. Oh, for the pinky, I'm just gonna go ahead and line where that little French is. This one's like a straight French, so I just thought I just want to put some of these rhinestones. I don't know if the camera's picking it up good, but they have such a pretty shift. I have other like AB that are kind of like a yellowy or like a blue-green shift, but this honestly has like a purpley blue. I know it's hard to tell, but they do, and it's just so pretty because I put them next to my other rhinestones, and you could definitely see the purple, you know, pop out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and line the little French here. So yeah, I've been sick for like, oh my gosh, like 10 days, I think. Started off where I lost my voice and I thought I had some type of flu, but now I have something else going on, and I'm actually gonna go to the urgent care today because I can't get into the doctor right away. So yeah, no fun. I just literally have had no energy and just been so tired. I just like literally don't feel like doing anything. Yesterday I went to bed at 6 o'clock. Like, I mean, just, yeah, I've just had some pain and just, yeah, not feeling good at all. So But yeah, I just wanted to get this out. I haven't put up a video, and I thought I just want to share this box with you guys in case if you're interested, you know, just to see the variety of what you get in certain months. So I think somebody's mowing their lawn, one of the neighbors. Well, the video's almost over. I'm just gonna apply these rhinestones, and then you'll see the little end shot. All right, so this is the finished set here. Just simple little shorties with the little Frenches. I think the Frenches look really, really cute. I think if you have long nails, you could find a way to extend it. I'd like to try that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave everything linked down below. I hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time. Bye.